Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Science Lab. So, as you know, science is so important in our life. So, in this video, we will discuss the first of one branch of biology, and the hot topic is cell theory. So, we will discuss that what is cell theory. So, keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. So let's start it. What is cell theory? Cell theory states that the cell is the basic unit of living organisms. What? Basic unit of living organisms. Before the discovery of the cell, people were unaware that living organisms were made of building blocks like cells. Building blocks like cells. Cell theory is one of the basic theories of biology. Now, let's discuss another point, that are there living organisms without cells? Now we will discuss the answer of these questions, that are there living organisms without cells? So, we will get to know that are there any living organism exists which contains no cells on their body. So, viruses. We will start the answer of this question from the viruses. Viruses are considered the only living organisms that do not have cells. So, the answer is yes. There are viruses that are considered the only living organisms which that do not have cells. So, yeah, there is some living organisms without cells exist because viruses do not have cells. Viruses are made up of genetic material. What is genetic material? Genetic material contains your DNA or your RNA. So, viruses are made up of genetic material, DNA or RNA. The DNA and RNA enclosed in a protein capsule. They do not have membranes, cell organelles, or own metabolism. So now we get to know that about the cell theory, that there are basic units like living organisms, building blocks like cells. Now then we will discuss that are there living organisms without cells? Yes, viruses that do not have cells. They contain genetic material which are made up of DNA or RNA, which is enclosed in protein capsule, and there are three things which are membrane, cell organelles, on metabolism. Now we will go to the next topic. In 1665, Robert Hooke, an English scientist, published his book Micrographia, in which he described that pieces of cork viewed under a microscope presented small cavities similar to pores and filled with air, based on knowledge discovered later on. What do you think those cavities were composed of? What is the historical importance of this observation? The wall of the cavities observed by Hooke were the walls of the plant cells that form the tissue. This observation led to the discovery of cells, a fact only possible after the invention of the microscope. In that book, Hooke established the term cell, which is now widely used in biology, to designate those cavities seen under the microscope. So, I hope you will understand the topic and the historical importance of this observation. I hope this information is very useful to all of you. So keep watching our videos and like our content. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe this channel.
कितनी बार खा चुका है? सच में खाया तूने? मैंने भी खाया था। अबे मत खा यार। तो पीयूष ने हर्ष को चैलेंज किया है जोलो चिप्स खाने के लिए। यार इसको क्या शौक चढ़ा है, ये रोटी की तरह जोलो चिप्स खाना चाहता है। मैं इस चीज से दूर रहना चाह रहा था और ये बोल रहा है हट जा। आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट। ये बंदा यहाँ जोलो चिप्स खा रहा है और ये यहाँ पे आइसक्रीम खा रहा है। अबे भाई होने के नाते रोक ले इसको। रोक ले यार, रोक ले। तूने कभी नहीं खाया, वैसे तू भी ट्राई कर हर्ष। नहीं, इसने कभी नहीं खाया। ये तो करना पड़ेगा मेरा। इट्स अ चैलेंज। इट्स अ चैलेंज। व्हाट्स द चैलेंज कर रहा है? तुम्हारी बच्चा नहीं है। दूर रहेंगे। हाँ पा। चलो अब आइसक्रीम खाना, ठीक है? खाते आइसक्रीम खाना। तू नहीं खाएगा? ट्राई करूँगा। क्या? इतना। अबे भाई तू मत खा, मैं पूरा खा लूँगा। तू मत खा, तू आइसक्रीम खाया। हाँ ठीक है, पूरा खाओ, पूरा खाओ। ठीक है। कह रहा है मेहमान को जोलो चिप्स खिला के ना। ये तेरी ट्रिक मुझे पता है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। तो भाई पीयूष ने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि जोलो चिप्स तो आज खाया जाएगा यहाँ पे, और खाएगा कौन? हर्ष।